Education is the key to success in life. Without it, we cannot unlock our full potential. However, the world is changing at a rapid pace and education has to keep up with it. One of the biggest challenges that education faces today is the changing job market. Today's students will have to adapt to jobs that don't even exist yet. This means that education needs to focus on skills that are adaptable and easily transferable, such as problem solving and creativity. Another challenge is technology. With the rise of the internet and advancements in artificial intelligence, traditional forms of education are becoming outdated. We need to embrace technology and use it to enhance education, not replace it. But with challenges come opportunities. The digital age has brought with it more accessible and flexible forms of education. Online learning platforms have made education available to millions of people around the world. We can tap into the expertise of professionals and gain knowledge in areas that were previously unavailable. Another opportunity is personalized learning. Every student has their own unique learning style and pace. With technology, we can create a personalized learning experience that is tailored to each individual student's needs. The future of education may seem uncertain, but we have the power to shape it. With the right mindset and strategies, education can adapt to the changing world and continue to provide opportunities for all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.